Kung gusto niyo makakuha ng mataas na interest rate, so i-try niyo ang time deposit ng Uno Digital Bank. Sa interest rate is 6.5% per annum. And merong dalawang klase ng time deposit sa Uno Bank, UNOBoost and UNOEarn. So ano nga bang difference ng dalawang time deposits na ito? Yung una ay ang UNOBoost. Ang UNOBoost ay mayroong flexible term, so you can choose your desired term from 3 to 12 months. Payment of interest is at maturity. And yung pangalawa naman ay ang UNOEarn. Ang interest payout ng UNOEarn ay monthly. Fix yung term, so between 12 or 24 months. And then you can create up to 5 time deposit accounts. So either UNOBoost or UNOEarn. So total of 5 time deposit accounts. Tinry ko pareho. So I created UNOBoost and UNOEarn time deposit accounts. And I have previous video on how to create UNOBoost time deposit account. So in this video, I will show you yung actual na pag-open ko ng UNOEarn time deposit account. So, ipapakita ko paano mag-open ng UNOEarn account. Okay, so pagka-login mo sa iyong Uno Bank account, so makikita mo yung dashboard. And then to add a time deposit account, click My Accounts. And then click Add Account. And add time deposit. Okay, so this is for UNOBoost. Swipe to the left to go to UNOEarn. And then click mo yung details. Okay, and then read the product details. Click Apply Now. At ito yung UNOEarn calculator, so you can calculate how much yung interest na ma-earn mo monthly. So there are two options, so 12 months and 24 months. Okay, so you can calculate yung how much yung interest pag 12 months and how much pag 24 months. Okay, so I chose 12 months and my monthly interest is 54.17. And then click next. Okay, and then review details if correct. And then click confirm. And then enter mo yung 4-digit passcode. Okay, so done. Alright, so now I have 2 time deposit accounts, UNOEarn and UNOBoost.